Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download a design with a transparent background in Canva. First, make sure your design background isn't a photo. It should be a solid color. White works best. You can adjust this by clicking your background and choosing color, then selecting pure white. Now head to the share button at the top and choose download. From the file type options, select PNG, since this is the only format that supports transparency in Canva. You will see an option labeled transparent background. Make sure that box is checked. Just a heads up, this feature requires Canva Pro, so if you don't have it, you can try the free trial. Once everything looks good, click download and the file will save to your device with a transparent background, perfect for layering on other designs, logos, stickers and more. And that's it. Quick and simple. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Canva tips. Happy designing!